Keurig coffee maker makes clicking noises and won't make coffee when pressing the blue buttons for coffee sizes.
Do you know the model of your Keurig coffee maker? How old is it?
Unsure of model number, can't find one on Maker, approximately 2 to 3 years old.
How long has this been going on with your Keurig coffee maker? What have you tried so far?
Has been going approximately 2 weeks. Was able to get working for about 2 days ago after taking top off and manipulating white plastic hoses. Clicking noises seem to be coming from somewhere near hot water reservoir inside of main unit.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, seems to work fine except when making those noises approximately 6 clicks whenever I press button to make coffee.
I will need your help with any information that I may ask and that you can provide. I do need this for a more complete picture in trying to resolving your issue. I cannot stand by the computer and wait for a reply, nor am I asking you to. At times there could be a brief waiting period between correspondence. I ask for your patience and together I am confident we can get this done. I've reviewed what you have given me so far. This is an initial assessment, because coffee grinds have so much oil. The way they are ground is a factor. And water has the calcimine. They have a tendency to clog these openings and tubes. Routine maintenance. Cleaning. And decalcification is paramount. It would really help to use filtered water. Descale it. Fill up the water reservoir up to the fill line with 1 cup of white vinegar and 2 parts water. You may want to try a straight solution of vinegar and let it soak some, even overnight. You can take an eyedropper and squirt some vinegar into the water opening, run it and then flush it 3 times with clean water. Make cleaning and unclogging routine, once a month, so this will not happen so much. Have you thought about a water filter/softener? If no favorable results, I will direct you to another possible solution, or we can clear up some internal parts. Please let me know. Thanks, Eddie. Please note, JustAnswer requires a separate charge for a premium phone service. You may get a standard phone request. You can accept if it is more comfortable for you or ignore it. I have nothing to do with billing. Customer service would accommodate you on that. Thank you, Eddie. If you do need more assistance, please use the reply box and let me know.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.